Good morning. Our business name. How is your business? How is it going? Okay, keep going. I wanted to know what are the use of all these things that you are selling? Because I know for you to put this thing on the table, it must be good for health consumption. So tell us what is the use of this honey?
Honey good for people wey dey use sugar clean system, any yamayama clean am for sugar.
Okay.
Coconut oil benefit 100 benefit good to rub and cook.
Okay.
Coconut water
Mm-hmm.
blood system,
Okay.
eye problem,
Okay.
BP, kidney problem.
Oh, wait a minute. You also cure BP.
Yes,
BP.
yes.
Okay.
Kidney problem also.
It cleans it.
Yes,
Makes you look healthier
yes,
once you are taking the water.
yes.
Okay.
Everything. Shea
Okay.
butter. Shea butter good to raw.
For a newborn baby
For new
or
baby,
anybody can
adult,
rub it.
everybody.
Okay.
It's good. You have cough, you cut and chop.
You
It's stop.
like you chew it.
Yes. Any rashes, stop.
Okay.
Pancreas oil.
Okay.
It's good to well.
I hear that this one has a spiritual benefit.
Yes, this one na original pancreas oil. You can remove any of disease all your body. Anything they spend money tire, this pancreas oil solve it. Thank you.
This is original.
See, you never okay,
Yeah.
coconut water.
Okay.
Coconut water to clean system. If you see this one every day they drink, your wahala don finish. Thank you.
Anyway, this is original. The business owner here
Yes.
in their village here.
Ave.
So, you have heard from the horse's mouth. Madam Original, she has all the natural endowment or materials. Whatever that you are lacking in your system, you can come here and have it. This is strictly from what is natural source. It's original. There's no fake thing here. Everything you see here is natural. It's not made. Um, the purpose of this video is just to enlighten you that whatever you have been suffering of, there is cure somewhere here that you can do it with natural things. You can help yourself. So come to Jabili and meet Original. Our business name is Madam Original. Thank you. This is Ata.
Brother,
Not just